How do I get my program to sleep for 50 milliseconds? How do I get my Python program to sleep for 50 milliseconds?
Use time.sleep. Note that if you rely on sleep taking exactly 50 milliseconds, you won't get that. It will just be about it.
Use time.sleep. See the Python documentation, this URL.
There is a module called Time which can help you. I know 2 ways. Sleep. Sleep reference asks the program to wait, and then to do the rest of the code. There are 2 ways to use sleep. The second way doesn't import the whole module, but it just sleep. Using time since boot using time.monotonic. This way is useful if you need a loop to be running, but this one is slightly more complex. Time.monotonic is better than time.time as it does not account for leap seconds, but it counts the amount of settings from boot. Credit, Mark Licata.
You can also do it by using the timer function. Code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.